Imagine a world where technology quietly yet powerfully transforms every aspect of our lives. This isn't a scene from a dystopian novel, but our reality over the past century. From the clanking, whirring machinations of the Industrial Revolution to the sleek, silent hum of today's AI, technology has been an uninvited guest, continuously reshaping our daily existence. Technology has replaced some roles, redefined others, and even created entirely new professions we couldn't have imagined just a decade ago. Understanding this historical context isn't just a nostalgic journey, it's essential to grasp the trajectory we're on. As we stand on the brink of another technological leap, with AI ready to tackle roles once thought untouchable, those cushy, creative jobs, it's crucial to see how we got here. Let's embark on this journey together, exploring the roles replaced by technology over the past 100 years.
In the early 20th century, the Industrial Revolution and mechanization began to reshape the landscape of work. Let's start with the manufacturing sector, where the impact was first felt. Once upon a time, textile workers were the unsung heroes of the Industrial Revolution. With nimble fingers and immense patience, they literally wove the fabric of our lives. But then came the automated loom, a marvel of mechanical ingenuity that could outpace even the most industrious weaver. The result? A dramatic increase in production efficiency. Factories produced more goods at a lower cost, transforming the world of manufacturing. However, this progress came at a cost. Many textile workers found their skills obsolete, forced to leave their rural homes in search of work in growing urban centers. This migration led to the rise of a new urban working class, setting the stage for the socio-economic dynamics that defined the 20th century. Meanwhile, out in the fields, the story was much the same. Farmhands, who had tilled the soil for generations, suddenly found themselves competing with tractors and combine harvesters. These mechanical beasts could plow, sow, and reap with unmatched speed and precision. The introduction of these machines drastically reduced the agricultural labor force. Farming became more efficient, and food production soared, but many traditional farming jobs disappeared. This mechanization spurred a wave of rural depopulation, contributing to urban sprawl and a shift from agrarian to industrial society. Fast forward to the mid-20th century, where automation and the rise of computers began to transform clerical jobs. Typewriters clacked away, and stenographers and typists were the lifeblood of any business operation. That is, until the advent of word processors and computers. These technological marvels streamlined office work to an unprecedented degree. Tasks that once took hours could now be completed in minutes. Productivity soared, and the nature of office work began to shift. The rise of computers led to a demand for more skilled office jobs. Typists and stenographers had to adapt, learning new skills. This period also saw a significant change in gender dynamics, as the roles traditionally held by women evolved with technological advancements.
Let's shift our focus to the world of communication, where telephone operators once reigned supreme. These operators, often depicted in vintage films plugging and unplugging cords with dizzying speed, were the linchpins of early telecommunication. However, automated telephone systems soon rendered this human touch obsolete. The new automated systems revolutionized communication, making it faster and more reliable. Calls could be connected instantly, improving the efficiency of telephone services and paving the way for modern communication networks. The automation of telephone systems reduced the need for human operators. Many found themselves out of work as the personal touch was replaced by the cold efficiency of automated messages. Stepping into the late 20th century, technology began making inroads into the retail sector. Remember the friendly cashier who would scan your groceries and chat about the weather? They faced stiff competition from the advent of self-checkout systems. Self-checkout systems brought efficiency to retail operations. Customers could scan, bag, and pay for their items without the need for a cashier. This innovation reduced labor costs for retailers and sped up the checkout process. The rise of self-checkout systems led to a decline in entry-level retail jobs. Many cashiers found themselves out of work, while the demand for technical maintenance roles increased. Meanwhile, in the world of banking, a similar transformation was underway. Bank tellers, who had long been the face of financial institutions, were gradually replaced by ATMs and online banking services. The introduction of ATMs and online banking revolutionized the financial industry. Customers could withdraw cash, check balances, and deposit checks at any time, significantly reducing the need for in-branch staff. As a result, the traditional role of the bank teller diminished. However, this shift also led to the creation of new roles focused on online banking services and technical support, illustrating the dynamic nature of technological change.
As we stand at the threshold of another technological revolution, it's clear that AI is no longer the stuff of science fiction. These intelligent systems have infiltrated almost every aspect of our lives, and the creative industries are no exception. AI's capabilities in creative fields are both awe-inspiring and somewhat unsettling. Imagine a machine that can paint, write, compose, and design with a proficiency that rivals, or even surpasses, human effort. It sounds like a plot twist in a futuristic novel, but it's our reality. AI's prowess in the creative arena stems from its ability to analyze vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and generate content based on learned algorithms. From creating intricate designs to composing symphonies, AI can mimic the human creative process, often with astonishing results. However, while AI can replicate certain aspects of creativity, it still operates within the confines of its programming. It lacks the nuanced understanding and emotional depth that human creators bring to their work. The potential of AI in creative fields is vast. It can enhance productivity, inspire new ideas, and democratize access to creative tools. However, its limitations are equally significant. AI-generated content, though impressive, often lacks the unique touch and emotional resonance that characterize human artistry. As we navigate this brave new world, we must balance the benefits of AI's efficiency with the irreplaceable value of human creativity. In the realm of visual arts, graphic designers have long been the magicians behind eye-catching logos, advertisements, and visual identities. Traditionally, this role required a keen eye for detail, a deep understanding of aesthetics, and a lot of painstaking effort. Enter AI tools like Adobe Sensei, which automate many design tasks, allowing designers to iterate faster and more efficiently. AI-powered design tools can generate multiple variations of a design in minutes, optimize layouts, and even suggest color schemes. This capability significantly speeds up the design process, reducing costs and allowing designers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their work.
Illustrators, too, are feeling the ripple effects of AI. Platforms like DALL-E and Midjourney can generate stunning, custom illustrations based on simple prompts. These tools use machine learning to create art that ranges from realistic to fantastical, often with breathtaking accuracy. AI-generated illustrations enable rapid prototyping and make custom art accessible to a broader audience. This can be particularly useful for projects requiring quick turnarounds or unique visual content without the need for extensive manual effort. The newsroom, traditionally a bustling hive of human activity, is now sharing space with algorithms. AI-generated news articles and reports, such as those produced by Bloomberg Cyborg, can churn out financial summaries and sports updates at lightning speed, handling vast datasets with ease. The ability to generate news quickly and accurately has transformed journalism. AI can sift through mountains of data, identify relevant information, and produce coherent reports in a fraction of the time it would take a human journalist. This efficiency allows for faster news dissemination and enables journalists to focus on in-depth investigative work. In the world of marketing and advertising, copywriters craft the messages that persuade and inform. AI tools like GPT and Jasper.ai have revolutionized this process, generating marketing content with remarkable fluency and relevance. AI can produce personalized marketing copy, tailored to specific audiences and optimized for engagement. This capability allows for efficient content creation, enabling marketers to test and iterate on campaigns more rapidly than ever before. In the grand symphony of technological advancement, composers and musicians are discovering new instruments in the form of AI composition tools like Suno and Udio. These digital maestros can compose everything from classical symphonies to catchy pop tunes, democratizing music creation for those who might not have the technical chops to read a note of sheet music. AI composition tools enable rapid music creation, allowing users to generate complete tracks in minutes. This opens the doors of the music world to non-musicians, making it possible for anyone with a spark of inspiration to bring their musical ideas to life.
Meanwhile, on the stage and screen, AI is making waves in ways that Shakespeare could scarcely have imagined. With AI voice synthesis and deepfake technology, creating realistic voices and virtual actors is becoming a reality. These technologies can replicate the nuances of human speech and appearance, bringing virtual characters to life with uncanny accuracy. The creation of realistic voices and virtual actors through AI technology allows for seamless integration of digital characters in media. This can be particularly useful in scenarios where re-recording lines or casting live actors might be impractical or expensive. The realm of film and media production has not escaped the AI revolution. Video editors, once the unsung heroes laboring in dark rooms, splicing and dicing reels of film, are now equipped with AI-powered tools like Magisto and Adobe Premiere Pro AI features. These tools automate many of the tedious aspects of video editing, making the process faster and more efficient. AI-powered video editing tools streamline the editing process, reducing the time and cost involved in producing polished video content. These tools can automatically assemble footage, apply transitions, and even suggest improvements, freeing up editors to focus on the creative aspects of their work. In the world of storytelling, screenwriters are finding a new collaborator in AI-assisted scriptwriting tools like Scriptbook. These digital co-authors analyze data from successful films to generate scripts that are primed for audience appeal, offering suggestions for plot twists, character development, and dialogue. AI-assisted scriptwriting enables rapid script generation and provides screenwriters with valuable insights into what might resonate with audiences. This can enhance storytelling techniques and help writers craft more compelling narratives. In our whirlwind journey through the annals of technology and its relentless march, we've seen how each wave of innovation has reshaped the workforce. From the clattering factories of the Industrial Revolution to the silent efficiency of modern AI, technology has a knack for disrupting the status quo. The textile workers, farmhands, typists, and telephone operators of yesteryear have all seen their roles evolve or vanish, swept away by the tide of progress. And now, as AI sets its sights on the creative industries, we stand on the brink of yet another profound transformation. AI, with its uncanny ability to generate art, music, and literature, promises to be both a boon and a bane. It can democratize creativity, allowing anyone with a spark of inspiration to bring their ideas to life. Yet, it also threatens to blur the lines between human and machine-made art, raising questions about authenticity, originality, and the very essence of creativity. Will AI be our collaborator, enhancing our creative endeavors, or will it become the overzealous partner that overshadows us? As we stand at this crossroads, it's crucial to embrace AI not as a threat, but as a tool, one that can enhance human creativity while addressing the ethical and socio-economic challenges it brings. This involves pushing for laws and policies that ensure AI is developed and used responsibly. It also means fostering a culture of collaboration between humans and machines, where AI is seen as a partner rather than a replacement. But there's also a pressing question we must grapple with. Just because we could create such powerful AI, does it mean we should? History is replete with examples of scientists and innovators. Think Dr. Frankenstein and his modern-day equivalents, the tech entrepreneurs, pushing the boundaries of what's possible, often with mixed results. Have they done more harm than good? The answer isn't black and white. While new technologies can lead to remarkable advancements and opportunities, they can also cause significant upheaval and displacement.
The promise of new technologies creating fresh opportunities is often cited as a justification for their disruptive nature. Yet, do these new roles adequately replace those they displace? And are they suitable for the displaced in terms of skill set and capabilities? The truth is, the transition isn't always seamless. The rise of AI may create roles in AI management, maintenance, and curation, but these jobs often require far fewer specialists compared to those displaced by automation. This skills gap highlights the need for robust education and retraining programs to help workers adapt to the changing landscape However, that doesn't solve the issue of the volume of people left out of the workplace. As we peer into the future, the next 20 years promise even more astonishing advancements. AI could become an even more integral part of our daily lives, influencing everything from healthcare to entertainment. The key will be to navigate this future with a sense of balance, leveraging AI's capabilities to enhance human potential while ensuring we don't lose sight of the value of human creativity and ingenuity. In conclusion, the story of technology and the workforce is one of continuous evolution. As AI reshapes creative roles, it's up to us to ensure this evolution leads to a richer, more inclusive creative landscape. By embracing AI as a tool for enhancement rather than a replacement, and by addressing the ethical and socio-economic challenges it presents, we can create a future where technology and humanity coexist harmoniously, each amplifying the strengths of the other. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the past, present, and future of technology and creativity. Let's continue the conversation. Share your thoughts in the comments below or on social media. How do you see AI shaping the future of creativity? What steps should we take to ensure it benefits all of us? Let's navigate this brave new world together.